Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making Jamaican chicken soup. Um, Here goes. It's my first time, so let's try. So usually you use pumpkin, but I couldn't find pumpkin. I live in St. Catharines. There's not much variety for West Indian stuff. So this is an acorn squash. I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't even know how to peel these things. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it in half first. Ooh. Like a squash is a squash is a squash, right? Like a pumpkin, a squash, a acorn squash, whatever, they're all the same. Ugh, it smells like it. Gross. Okay. These are difficult as hell to peel. I'm gonna cut myself. What the fuck? How the Ross do you peel this thing? Why is it so damn tough? Okay. Getting into the swing of things. I think my knife needs to be sharper too. No, I don't think it will work. I'm trying to see if my peeler's around. I don't think it will. Should I just do like this? I'm actually so scared I'm gonna cut myself. So I did the pumpkin. That was like the hardest thing I've ever peeled. Like, what the heck? Now we're gonna do some white potato. Just peeling everything and getting everything ready right now. So you saw all the vegetables that I'm using. It's time for me to cut everything up. I'm just gonna start with the chicken and the potato. The chicken and the pumpkin for now because everything else doesn't need to go in right now. I'm just gonna place that all in here for now. So we cut these into cubes. So when you, obviously, this is just like a pumpkin. It's not a pumpkin, but same thing, right? Like it's a squash. It's all the same. So cut it up into cubes. Obviously clean up the seeds and blah, blah, blah. So I looked at a few recipes for this because it's my first time. Like, I never made it before. I've obviously watched my mom do it, but I've never actually made it myself. So there was just so many different options. But I think I'm just gonna stick with what I've seen my mom do. So cut these up. We're gonna put this in the pot with the chicken to boil at first. I really need to sharpen my knife though. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the pot now. So I'm getting the water boiled and started. I used 1 box of chicken broth and then equivalent of water as well. Yeah, I'm seasoning the chicken. Normally, like how I would just season it if I was just gonna bake it or something. Seasoning salt, like black pepper. I'm not putting garlic and onion powder because I'm gonna obviously put the fresh vegetables in there. So seasoning salt, put a paprika, black pepper. So we're gonna add the pumpkin. We're gonna add the chicken. We're gonna let that boil up. That boils for about, oh, sorry, I'm going to put the thyme in too, actually, while it's boiling up. So the beginning product, pumpkin, chicken, and thyme boiling for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we start adding in everything else. So now I'm gonna chop everything up. It's a pretty quick recipe. It takes like an hour to make. Okay, so now to cut up the rest of the vegetables. It's 5:32, so. The potato I'll leave like this, actually. The carrots are just flying everywhere. These you can cut into like a good chunk sizes. So 3 of these. They're literally flying everywhere. And we got onions. I'm just gonna cut them like this. I learned that if you keep this thing on, you don't cry. So far I've done 3 onions since I learned that, and it is actually true. So that's why it looks like I didn't clean this or anything. I did. I just left this thing on. The butt, they call it. I think I'm gonna get another half of an onion because that's like nothing. I don't remember ever having onion in my mom's soup, but there's gonna be onion in mine. Like usually you have scallion, but yeah, go put regular onion too. I usually have scallion, which we have no scallion in St. Catharines. I'm putting green onion. Yeah. Okay, so there's the onion, some garlic. Garlic, we're just gonna cut them like that. Oh shit. I'm gonna cut it up smaller actually because I don't want to bite any damn garlic. And then the green onion, you just break it up and put it in pretty long. You don't have to cut it up too much. And now to attempt dumpling again. This time I have flour, so yay. Let's do this. Okay, here goes nothing. Gonna try this dumpling thing again. So there's a cup of flour, put some salt in there, and then water as you need it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit first. Like, I always struggle with dumpling. So we're just gonna do small amounts and pray that it doesn't be too sticky. Can you guys hear that? The guy downstairs is horking up his fucking life. It's so disgusting. A little more water. I'm so nervous about this, honestly. pour that out. That was a little bit too much water. And now what? Now I'm gonna need more flour. Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot! Okay. Let's now fix my stupid error. Feels like I'm making Play-Doh. My dumpling, not too bad. Here's how the soup's looking so far. Still with just the pumpkin or whatever, butternut squash and the chicken in there. I used chicken back and chicken thighs. Alright, now that it's boiling up like this, it's been about 35 minutes. No, 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes now. So, I'm going to add all the provision. The dumpling, potato, carrots, onion, garlic, green onion, and the pepper. Well, okay, here's everything. Garlic, onion, carrots, oops, potato, green onion, and my Scotch bonnet. Pop that in. So I'm gonna let it go for 10 minutes, boil it, like fully boil for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add, so it's pretty full in there. Gonna let it go for 10 minutes, see how it's doing. Probably add a bit more water because it's like a lot of vegetables. Then after the 10 minutes, we're gonna add our cock soup mix, the dumpling, and corn. Okay, now last step, we're gonna add cock soup and the dumpling. Stir that up. Our dumpling uno by uno. Okay, we're gonna add the dumpling now. One dumpling, two, so now I'm gonna close it and let it boil on like 6 for another 20 minutes and then it's done. Alright, it's basically done. Well, not basically, it is done. Alright, this is the finished product. I'm going to turn it off just now. The dumplings are really long. Don't get at me about it. I should have made each dumpling into 2. But they seem so thin, like, I don't know, whatever. So here it is. Corn, carrot, potato, onion, chicken, thyme, dumpling, green onion, hot pepper. I took out the scotch bonnet. I have an 8-year-old that's going to be eating this. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then I shall show you all the finished product once it's in a bowl. I'm trying to get that time off. Like, come on.